If you want to generate leads with ChatGPT, the biggest shift you need to make is this. Stop using it like a chatbot and start using it like a lead generation system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to identify prospects, create lead magnets, write better outreach, and speed up your entire sales process. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing to understand is that lead generation happens in stages. You need to identify the right people, attract their attention, qualify whether they're a fit, and then nurture them with the right message. ChatGPT can help with all of those steps if you give it clear instructions. The key is to be specific about the industry, audience, pain points, and goal. So let's start with the research phase. Open ChatGPT and create a new chat. Then ask it to act as a market research expert. You can say something like, act as a market research expert and identify the top 5 pain points for VPs of sales in the fintech industry during a market downturn. Then ask it to list 10 niche online communities where those people discuss their problems. This gives you a fast starting point for audience research, content ideas, and outreach targeting. Once you have that information, you can use ChatGPT to build an ideal customer profile, also known as an ICP. Ask it to define the company size, job titles, common challenges, buying triggers, and decision-making factors for your best customer. The more detailed your ICP is, the easier it becomes to create messages that actually convert. Instead of guessing, you're building your lead strategy around a real audience profile. Next, use ChatGPT to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something valuable that you offer in exchange for an email address or contact information. This could be a checklist, guide, template, ebook, or mini training. You can prompt ChatGPT by saying, create an outline for a 5-page PDF titled The 2026 Guide to Your Solution. Include a quick wins checklist for the final page. ChatGPT will help you structure the content so you can create a useful asset much faster. After that, you can use ChatGPT to write a contextual opener. This is perfect for cold emails, LinkedIn messages, or DM outreach. A strong opener should mention something relevant to the prospect and connect it to your offer without sounding pushy. You can prompt ChatGPT with, based on this profile, write a 2-line email opener that mentions their interest in topic and ties it to our service name. No fluff. This helps you avoid generic messaging that gets ignored. Now let's talk about qualifying leads. Not every lead is a good lead, and ChatGPT can help you filter faster. You can paste in a list of prospect details and ask ChatGPT to rank them based on fit, urgency, budget signals, or likelihood to buy. You can also ask it to create qualification questions for your sales calls or intake forms. That way, you spend less time chasing weak leads and more time focusing on buyers. Another powerful use case is follow-up messages. Most leads do not convert on the first touch, so your follow-up sequence matters. Use ChatGPT to write a series of follow-up emails or messages based on different stages of interest. For example, you can ask it to write a polite follow-up, a value-based follow-up, and a final check-in message. This gives you a complete sequence that sounds natural and keeps your pipeline moving. You can also use ChatGPT to create content that attracts inbound leads. Ask it to generate post ideas, short-form content hooks, newsletter angles, or FAQ content based on your ideal customer's pain points. When your content speaks directly to the problems your audience is already having, you attract people who are more likely to buy. That means better lead quality and less time wasted on unqualified traffic. If you want to go one step further, use ChatGPT to help you build automation workflows. For example, you can ask it to outline a lead capture funnel, a nurture sequence, or a customer journey based on your business model. Then you can connect that strategy to tools like email platforms, CRMs, forms, and chat systems. ChatGPT is not replacing your sales process, but it is making every part of it faster and easier to build. A really important tip is to keep refining your prompts. If the output is too broad, add more context. If the writing sounds too formal, ask for a more conversational tone. If you need better conversions, tell ChatGPT to focus on urgency, clarity, or a specific pain point. The more you iterate, the better your lead generation results will become. So here's the simple workflow to remember. First, use ChatGPT to research your audience. Second, turn that research into an ICP. Third, build a lead magnet or offer. Fourth, write outreach messages and follow-ups. Fifth, qualify and nurture the leads with better targeting. When you combine all of that, ChatGPT becomes a real lead engine, not just a writing tool. If you want to save time, create a reusable prompt template for your business. That way, every time you need leads, you can reuse the same structure instead of starting from scratch. This is one of the best ways to stay consistent and scale your outreach. And that's how to use ChatGPT to generate leads more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.